Yay! This week we're doing our Mani by Me August Plant Lover unboxing. Yay! So when we worked on these plates, we tried to make sure to select some of the most popular houseplants. We even put the names here for all of you, but the great thing about it is, it's not gonna ever die. So the next thing that you're gonna get in the box are 2 early access polishes. You can see that alocasia has a pretty kind of gold tinge to it, and then caladium is a very, very light, cool tone green. It has some great undertones. It's probably one of our lightest greens we have.
And so for the finale, it comes with a surprise gift. So for this month, each subscriber will get a...
Guess what? More plants! These are the best plants ever right here.